where were we? Last time we were working on moving things to Postgres, okay? And we were moving the unscalable queue service to Postgres. So let me open it up. So Platformatic, unscalable queue system. A bit better, a lot better, or just a bit better? Like, is it fluid as the last few times? Well, there is some delay between messages. This is normal. This is usual. There is some usual delay. So if there is some delay, it's fine. I'm more talking about the audio and video. So if you hear and watch me well, I'm good. Better. Yeah, okay. Cool. Yeah, I don't know what else I can do. There is almost nothing I can do here at this point. Like, I've done all the things that I should be doing. Okay, cool. Should be fine. I'm just... Yay, okay. Yeah, good. Perfect, okay. So let's get started, and let's see where we are at, and what should we be doing. So last time, okay, let's start my automatic scene switcher. Here we go, automatic scene switcher, and start. Here we go. Hello. Okay, so we have started things, and last time we were talking about the unscalable queue system, okay, and we were talking about this, and we were here. Oh yeah, I can land this. Okay, here we go. So make it run on one of my node. We were talking about this, and the CI was actually complaining because there was no Postgres. So we needed to do some work here on the CI, but we also wanted to actually test it with more than one process, right? So just a quick reminder: we moved the unscalable queue system from Postgres to from SQLite to Postgres, and in this way we actually added quite a lot of things, including an election algorithm to generate and make things, generate things, so to decide which is the leader in my unscalable queue system cluster. So it's pretty cool, right? It was a good big change here. So what I want to do now is I need to move back to this one. So I am back on the code, git status, okay? So what we want to do, so we have our Docker compose, this is actually running. So what we want to do is we want to start opening up our .m file. This is talking to Postgres, okay? So what we can do is npx plt db start on one window. Oh, and the port is missing, okay? So port 3042, and then we want port 3043 and px plt db start, and so this is running, and this other one is running. So cool, right? So what we want, let's create a little bit of an example of an example server. So I need let's say target.js, target. Oh, but I already had it. So target.js, it's okay. Perfect. This is just a port. Okay. So, and we have a .env. Okay. So this is a secret. Cool. So what I can do is go to localhost 042 graphical. Okay. What I want is to create a new queue. Okay. Create queue. No, save queue. Sorry. And in here we need input. And what we want method, which is post. Okay, and which one is it? And which port this is listening to? It's listening port 3000. Okay, so we want callback. Oh yeah, I need a comma here. Oh yeah, I need this GraphQL as that. Callback URL. Okay, and I want HTTP localhost 3000. Okay, and I want the body. I want the headers as content type, and it needs to be an application JSON. Did I make some mistakes? Let me see. How do I set it? As usual, I keep making mistakes. And content type. Oh yes, content dash type. Yep. Okay. Yeah. It's complaining. Why it's complaining? This should be valid. Then we have the I can actually, here we go, and the body. Okay. Okay, I need foo bar. Okay, so we are setting the body, and we want the ID of this queue. And it's complaining. Sorry. Why? I need probably to specify 2 slashes. Why it's complaining? Like I'm setting it here. Sorry. Oh, what's coming back here? This is actually not very helpful. Oh, yeah, sorry, it's my bad. Okay. Sorry about this. This is actually a JSON field. Me being stupid. Okay. Okay. And I need to close it. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So it's not just me that forgets to do that stuff. And, oh. Input. Oh, yeah. Sorry. No, it's just this. Oh, name. So it's the name of this queue is my queue. That is test. Let's call it test. Okay, this is queue number 4. Cool. We have queue number 4. Now, I need to create a new things. Okay, so is the server running? And so I need to node target. Okay, so now mutation, create save message, input QID 4. Hi, iSupernova 6. Hello. And I need the body. And I need to say hello. Call it foo. And then bar. And I need a few slashes to make it okay. Okay, and then I need the ID of this message. Operation not allowed. Oh, yeah. Because I don't have the secrets. Okay, so here we go. Yay. Whoa, it arrived. Amazing. Okay. This is great. Okay. Now, what if I send this to 3043? Ooh. Which is the second peer, right? So we are loading it. Seems stuck. Hello. Hello, folks. How are you doing? It's stuck. It seems it's stuck loading. Come on. This is something that's not working here. Can you still all listen to me or something? Ooh, you were killed by a linter. Oh, doesn't seem a good end to setting up a linter, you know. This seems badly gone. So yeah, Chrome seems gone. Should we kill Chrome? Yay or nay? I'm actually going to kill Chrome. Let's see. Google Chrome. You're dead. It's dead. It's done. Chrome is done. And we lost the music. So, I'm sorry. We have lost the music. Here we go. So, and let's get the music back online first. And then let's see where we are at with the rest. There's a big delay. There's a big delay of what? Sorry, I just need to understand what's the big delay. Between your messages and everything? Yeah, I don't know how to fix it. So the message is a delay in which the time you see the message after you type them. Yeah, I have no clue. I am using something called CapChat. Might be related to that. Not sure. I'm setting up everything again. Sorry about this. Here we go. Like 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't know how to fix. If you know what should I do to fix it, I will be very happy to fix it. So, okay, we were at localhost 343 graphical. Oh, graphical. Okay. And I want to set down this message again. Okay, so this is bar 2. And oh yeah, it doesn't, I need to set the secret. So, okay, localhost 342 graphical. Okay, here we go. I can copy this. And I want to set this again. But this is not cold. Why it's not cold? You know why? I know, but I don't know if you know. Cool. Cool, folks. Okay. Anyway, so this is not being cold. But if I kill this, then in about 10 seconds, this should be... Ooh, it came up. And now this should call this message again. It's not. It didn't. Okay. So here, id name and the body. And I need the header for security reason. Let's see what is the message and when and retries. Okay. And here it is. Retries none when time has passed for this and is not picking it up. What's not working? Well, we are electing. The election is working, but no, there is some bugs in the code. So we are got the election is correct, but okay. So if made some mistakes. Okay. Okay. So what are we going to do here? We are yeah. I don't know what to do. Okay. Anyway, hopefully things will improve or not for the stream. So here we have the executor, and it's once we elect things, it's running the executor, but it's not setting up any timer. So here I need to do executor execute. Okay. Seems about correct. Okay. Let's see. I am starting this up. Oh, starting this up. Oh yeah, I need the second peer too. Okay. And this one has been sent. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's try it again. I am storing this. This is not the leader. And then yeah, I killed the leader. Seems that it did the call. Yeah, okay. So that worked. Okay, but it's still not getting the leader updated if I do a save on the other end. This is because we have, okay. Okay, so executor. Okay. So the reason for that, it's because we have a freaking timer. And the timer is, yeah, next time. Yep. It's like that. Okay. And yep. So this is the problem, and it's calling next. Where is this? Okay. So the problem is that basically this call that we do to get this next thing, okay, we need to do at the same time of the at the same time of our main call. So okay, I need to, let's call it not update timer. It's called update timer from check if something to execute on Postgre. Yeah, but it doesn't make sense because if I do that, it's not real time. Okay, so if I do this as in the polling sense, no, that won't work. What we need to do is to use a feature, another different feature of Postgres, which is PostgreSQL notify. Okay, here we go. Notify. How do we use this? So what is a notification? Commands and notification together with an option payload string to each client application that's previously execute and listen channel for the specified channel name in the current database. Notification are visible to all users. So, okay. So basically what we need to do is, okay, I need in my plugin, I need to set up a different thing. Sorry, not in the plugin, in the executor. Okay. And so in order to do this, I need to run listen. How does it work? It's freezing. It's freezing me. Oh, the what's freezing? Let me try stop and start again the streaming, folks. Hey, folks, I'm back. So let me know. How are you going? Are you still around? Maybe. Just let me know. Yay! Okay. Yes, amazing. Amazing. Okay. Perfect. Happy days. So we were talking about doing a SQL queries and everything. So yeah, I'm going to use this listen and notify and node pg and notify listen. Let's see. Yeah. Notifications. This module. Okay, so basically, let's see if a database support this, because I don't see anything. I don't see anything here. Here we go. Oh, I didn't watch the Oscar galas. Did you? What were the movies? I'm not being to the cinemas in a long time. So listen. Nope. Doesn't show. Okay, let's try and see what happens here. Let's try and see what happens. So, okay. Let's go back in our bully POC and do another POC. It's called notify. And this is, okay, here we go. So we don't need this. Here, we are going to do let's put it on the 6. Let's do a listen to what the syntax for this. It's virtual. So listen messages. Okay, this is what we do. Okay, and okay, now then I need a copy of this and I need listen. And sorry, this is listen, and then we need notify, and then notify messages. Okay. Ooh. Why are you Mexican? Supnova 6. Node bully. Listen. Node bully notify. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. It's not saying anything. Okay. Not good, not bad. And let's see if I can query in Postgres. Is there a way I can get the console log. Let me see. So, okay, listen. Okay. We have the connection pool state, the factory, the types. Doesn't look like we have much. Okay. How does this work? Let's see how this fetches it. On notification. Okay. How is called DB client on notification? Oh, okay. So it comes from the client itself. Okay. So maybe I need to do something like this. Okay. And I need the task because I don't want the connection pool. I want the task. Oh, just a second, folks. They are calling me from a phone number and I need to pick it. Here we go. Sorry, folks. I had to pick up this call. So, okay. So we had the T and we are listening. Let's go console log T. And, oh yeah, results not defined. I don't need any of this. Ooh. Okay, we have the log. Oh, we have the connection and we have the driver. Okay. Hola. Hola. Hello. Okay. So we have the driver. So I think T DB driver. I think it's driver. Okay, let's see if I can hack it. And it has a client. Okay, so client. Okay. And these look a lot like a client. So what I can do now is import on from, we're going to create an async iterator from events, okay? And so I'm going to do for await const notification on off on notification console log notification. Here we go. Okay, and this needs to be awaited. So in reality, this is never going to end. And if I do this, and it's working. Okay, I feel very good when I start hacking stuff like that. It's amazing. So, okay. So this is why I don't use TypeScript, because, you know, if you want to do this kind of hacks, you can't really do it with TypeScript. And it's amazing that I can just completely blast away any encapsulation rule and just hack something together. Okay, this is perfect. Exactly what I need. Okay, so, and what? Yeah, unless you put cast. Yeah, but, you know, if you start doing as anyway, you're using TypeScript to begin with. Okay. Yay. Okay. So while we are doing this, okay, I would need. Okay, so I need going into my executor. Okay, so whenever I'm calling update plugin, I want to update timer. Okay, if I am, nope, not this thing, but I want it into this. Hi, ciao Satanacchio. So here, when I do this update timer, okay, this seems perfect. So, okay, and in here, what we can do is appdb. Okay, what I can do in this one is I can get this, and I can get, here we go. Okay, and I'm calling notify update timer. Okay, so okay, and basically what I want to do if this is elected. Okay, so we have this. Okay, listen. Okay, going back on my plugin, and if this is elected, whoa, kaboom. Okay, and we want this. So this is, let's put this in a if catch, and here we go. And here we want, yep. And this needs to be a sync. So this is an async function, a nice little if, and we need a for loop. Here we go. Okay, and this thing, yeah, I'm always in a rush. Like I'm not going to even start to begin with when I'm not in a rush. So so we have console log notification here, and therefore we are going to do here await execute or execute. Okay, so basically whenever it's getting it, it's going to trigger an execution. And however, I still need my fantastic bar controller for this. Okay. Wow. Do you think this would work? Like I completely hacked it together. So we'll see. So we start the PLT, we start the other PLT. Okay. Oh, we want 43. Okay. So 42 is the leader. Okay. 43 is not. So I'm going to 43. So is the target running? Yeah, the target is running. Okay. So we are going to 43. This is 43. And we are setting the message. And didn't go through. It's not getting through because it should go through. Ha. Mm. Oh, wait a second. I didn't. Well, but this, I didn't make any changes here. Or maybe I did, but. Okay. So no one is the leader now. Who is getting the leadership? Callback successful. Okay. So, okay. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay. So this update. Oh, yeah, of course, it's not getting it. It's me being very much stupid. So we are not doing the notify, the listen. So await SQL. Okay. And listen, update timer. Great. Yeah. So no one is the leader. One should get the leadership. The first one is this guy is getting the leadership. Okay. So I am going to send it to the other peer. It did notify. It did not pick it up. Let's see why. This is weird. Okay, first of all. Okay, so we are listening to update timer and T driver. This seems about correct. So, okay. Notification. So receive notification. And so instead of doing that, notification. Okay. And I also want to remove the, let's increase the logger level to debug so that I'm seeing less stuff. Okay. So this one is not the leader. Let's kill them. Okay, so this one starts first. So, oh, on is not defined. That's why it's not working. Okay, good. Yeah, seems about correct. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So one is the leader, the other one is not. Running it on the non-leader, and the leader is calling it immediately. Amazing. Okay, perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay. Okay. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, if it's aborted, I don't need to log it. So if it's an abort error, if I don't want to log it. Yeah. Yeah. And it's up. Okay. Amazing. And who is the leader? Instance not the leader. This guy is not the leader. This is the leader, okay? And if I kill the leader, I'm killing the leader. Well, this is the leader now, okay? So I'm starting this other one back, which should not be the leader. So I can copy this. I can go into this other guy, which is, well, this is the leader now. This is not the leader. So I'm running it. And it did it. It's working perfectly. Okay, amazing. We have cracked it. Okay, time to write some tests for all this logic. Okay, so that we can cover some of it. Pretty amazing. So we have made it actually scalable. Like this system can now be deployed on multiple machines. It will pick up if one goes down. It's completely high available. It's super high available. It's so cool. It's amazing. Okay, I'm getting excited. So I don't know. There's unfortunately there's no Talevo here, so I'm so sorry a little bit. I thought it would have loved this one. Or is there? Let me see. I don't see him, so no, probably not. Oh, because I did a tweet, so that might be why people are not joining here. That might probably be. So let's do a tweet. And buffer. Oh no, he's there. Yay, for the time being, this queue works using something basic, API key auth, could be useful to extend for OpenID auth. Yes, well, it will be able to configure it to support JWT tokens. So you could actually generate an M2M JWT token. Would that be enough? This is amazing, by the way. By the way, these will soon be part of Platformatic Cloud, so you might as well. Very happy about it. So, something very interesting. We are doing a launch week with Platformatic in a couple of weeks. Okay, so yeah, you should be joining it. So stay tuned for links and stuff. So let me get a link for my channel. I forgot to tweet about it. I'm live on Twitch building an electoral algorithm on top of Platformatic DB. Here we go. Oh, interesting. Okay, so if for you in queue, if you need to contact periodically external services under OpenID auth, so basically you want on the cron, you want some logic to fetch new credentials. Okay, interesting. So you want to fetch the token and get the token back. So you would need to do an OpenID call with some machine-to-machine definition. Oh, yes. Okay, amazing. Yeah, no, that would be cool. Really, that would be really cool. So I'm just going to do this tweet and then you share now. Cool. Here we go. Okay, we have shared it now. And so I'm going to answer the question from Reedy Toady 94. Yes, next time. So I'm going to, first of all, let's write an issue about this. So I don't forget. And a scalable queue system. So support outgoing machine-to-machine OpenID tokens. Yeah. Here we go. So Tallevo. Is it Tallevo, right? Tallevo. Oh, no, it's not Tallevo. What's your GitHub handle, man? And so Allevo. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. And on Twitch. Okay. Yeah. And I'm going to post this up so I don't forget inside the DB. Okay. We can keep it for next time. This seems actually a very good one. So we have a nice question about AI. And this question deserves a good response. So from Rady Toddy 94. So in your opinion, is this still relevant to start learning front-end development, front-end web dev in 2023, especially with the arrival of AI? So have you ever tried OpenAI and ChatGPT and asking them any coding problem and any questions? I did some experiments, and I'm using also Copilot all the time here. Let's just say that those tools right now, more or less, are about 30% correct in what they say than what they say. In the sense of 1 every 3 response is actually the right response, and the other 2 are completely and utterly wrong. In the sense of they absolutely, like if you follow their discretion, the way they do, it's actually going to be super bad. Like, for example, I did a conversation with ChatGPT soon. Let's see if it's, oh, your session has expired. Log in again. Log in again. Log in. And let's see. See, I should have some good discussion here. Hi, Dominus Calvin. Oh, wow. Are you around, Dominus Calvin? Why it's Dominus Calvin? I always wondered why it's Dominus at the beginning. But hello, Calvin. Hopefully, ChatGPT is letting me in. So, yeah, it's not coming back. So, basically, I asked some question. No, it's there. So, okay. Look at this question, okay? Let's see if it can bring it up. Okay, so here is the first question. And I asked ChatGPT, write a program to serve a directory of files with Node.js. And this is your response. It is a basic example of a Node.js program that serves a directory of files using the built-in HTTP module. And hi, Calvin. We are just replying to a question on the HTTP of ChatGPT now. So I will be back on the election algorithm soon. So, but anyway, I asked the ChatGPT this thing, and the answer was this code, which is completely wrong, by the way. Like, if you write this code in an application, I can do a denial of service attack. I can extract all files in your file system. It's vulnerable to all sorts of things. So it's actually like, don't do this. Okay, like this is so bad. And then I ask error handling and start to get better, but I had to ask for it. And then I ask about path traversal attacks, and then it start to fill it in. Okay, but look, would I trust it? No, I wouldn't, because at this point in time, I'm not convinced that it will be protection completely work. Okay, like, again, I had to ask 3 questions, and this at no point is telling me that I need to do anything further on the code. So the answer of where's the state of the ChatGPT bots or the bots is so far from replacing humans in software development that you should not worry for maybe 10 years at this point, at least. What is going to happen, though, is that you will see a lot more of human-assisted software development, like what I'm doing all days, which I'm using Copilot here. It's essentially good. So that's what I'm doing, and it's great. So going back, this is the election algorithm. So for Calvin and all the people that just started, just joined. So here we go. So what we have implemented so far, we can start Platformatic DB, 2 instances, okay? And one, as you said, this says this is the leader. This is not the leader. And one is on port 343, 342. And if I send a message to the... So this system is just an outbox pattern. So I send a message to one and it will call my endpoint. And the endpoint, you will see it here in this window. So here we got the endpoint, and these received full bar last time. And so if we go back here, this is the known leader, 343. So I am sending this, and look, this is 343. It saves it, but the 342 received a notification and actually do the call. And my stuff has received the call. If I bring down the leader, now you can see that this becomes the leader. Pretty amazing. So, okay, this is a good question. There is another very interesting question from Graylith. I was wondering, let me answer this. So I was wondering the other day, what are your thoughts on having Fastify core written in Rust and then called via an API? I believe it could have a much higher I/O throughput. The answer is probably not. And the reason is the barrier between Node and Rust. Like if you write it in Rust and you call it from Rust to Node, so when you receive an HTTP call, you receive it from Node.js, right? So you need to call from Node to Rust, then Rust will need to call us back. And the cost of this translation and barrier, it's actually steep most of the time. And at the rate at which we are processing stuff, it's probably going to be too slow. So no, I don't think we will have any benefit in doing that. There is other optimization that could possibly be done, but that will not really work. And yay, I really wanted to do my code, but yeah. So also there is no bottlenecks in Fastify. So right now, like very little bottlenecks compared to Node.js. So, oh yes, let's do the cron. Okay, so we can also save a cron. So let's save a cron. Let's do a cron. So I want a mutation, and I want to save a cron. And the cron as an input, and we have the schedule, okay, and cron scheduler every 10 seconds. Let's do that. What's the syntax? Okay, yeah, thank you. I'm so bad. I'm so lazy. Here we go. No, this is no. Yeah, every 10 minutes. No, every 10 seconds. Okay, this guy should be that. Okay. And here we go. Then what else we need to do? Oh, QID, and the QID needs to be 4. Okay. And we have the ID, and I want them. I want the body, and this needs to be from cron, and I need to put some escapes. So this is actually working. Okay. Let's save this. Oh yeah, I need the headers. Here we go. I need the security headers. Here we go. Okay, we have created the cron. Okay, this is actually called. This instance is not the leader. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this thing is keep working. Okay, I am going to kill the leader now. The leader is dead. Let's see if this still works. And it's not working. Well, no, it actually did. It's working. Ah, ha, ha. It's working. It did work. It's completely resumed without any issue. Okay. Amazing. Yay. This is actually very freaking good design, folks, to be clear. And yeah, and the reason for that, it's because it's whenever you do a cron, it schedules the next message. So it's actually work. So amazing. So just to recap how this work. So we have two things. So first of all, we have this mi leader asynchronous function that is using PG try advisory lock to claim the leadership. It uses these DB tasks to get a connection. And here it basically gets notification. It also set up notifications using this connection so that it does a listen to this update timer. Whenever there is an updated timer anywhere in any other peer, we have these dummy executors that will just notify us. And these actually need a catch, because if it doesn't catch this, it's going to be in dummy. Yep, this is going to be a problem. So, okay. And amazing. Yay, this is actually really good code. By the way, if you just tuned in for this, the code for all this stuff, it's in... Oh, not platformatic. It's platformating a scalable queue system. So, and this code it's in this PR here. That's where we are going to push all our stuff. So, okay. So things are working here. What I need to do is, look, set up some tests. Do you like writing tests, folks? Here we go. Love it. Oh, I knew, Rob, you will love it. You love TypeScript, so how come you can't love tests? Cool. Okay, so election. So we need to set up an happy path queue. So I'm going to copy this. Here we go. And yeah. So we need a function here to big question. I don't know that answer, Talevo. This is, I don't know. So this needs probably some investigation later on. It's actually not in the, it might be to some extent. Sorry for the bad habit, but... So. So we are creating our target server. Okay. It is cool. We have our server 1. And we need our server 2. But we need the build server. So here opts. Okay. Opts. So opts port or 0. So we want a specific... Oh, wait a second. No, it's fine. It's fine if we have port 0. Okay. Oh, oh, okay. Sorry, there was a question from people on Pinot. Okay. So, Talebo, I don't think there is a problem for the multiple dates because in reality, it's the local timer is always the local timer. So I don't think it's a problem. But look, we need to investigate it a little bit. I think it's fine what we are doing here, but maybe. So, okay, let's look at this. I write some code below. I'm facing an issue. I'm using Pinot Logger. When I check exception in Grafana, error object is empty. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. Let's do a little bit of a try. So, okay, so I'm going to Pinot. Okay, vim bug. Okay, so let's create a logger. So require Pinot. Okay, then creating Pinot. So, okay, I'm doing try catch error logger dot error something went wrong. Throw new error. Kaboom. Kaboom. Do you like when your code does kaboom? I love it. Okay. So let's test this. This node bug. Okay. Error. Okay. Error is empty. You know why error is empty? I know why, but you probably don't. The problem is that errors are a very special kind of object. So, and we have, so most of the properties in there are not enumerable for various reasons. And so in order to, if you want to have a good error logs, you need to log error as error. Because that's what configured to handle it in Pinot. And these you will see you have as a stack trace now. If you want to have the error as the error key, okay, you need to get the Pinot standard serializers library and specify in the serializer block the fact that you want the error key to with the Pinot standard serializer.err. Now, if you use that, it's working again. Do you like it? So this is how it works. Amusta Q97. Okay. So hopefully that answers your question. So, okay. If folks, you have any other questions for me, please come back. Okay, pasting it. So this is Pinot. Here we go. Custom error serializer .js. Here you go. Yeah, if you have any question like that, anybody, just let me know. I will be very happy to answer them. So just let me know once you're done it. Okay, so going back to our stuff. We have our server 1 and server 2. And yeah, and then we have server 1, okay. And the question from Dominus Calvin, and I want to know your opinion on Japa, a new Node.js test framework. And I'm going to check Japa on npm. Japa is a tiny Node.js test runner. Okay. Let's see. What is Japa? Okay, you get Japa and you do that. Okay. Japa dev. Oh, wow. Dark side. I love this guitar on the back. It's pretty cool, right? A simple yet powerful testing framework for Node. Oh, it runs in the browser. Seems cool. And this is bad. Don't mix this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Like this. Don't do it. Okay. Okay. Hey, Amaya. It's a bad pattern. And it seems good enough. Okay. I wouldn't probably use it. Mainly because I would probably start using the Node.js API. Yeah, I understand that. Hey, Amaya. Good. How are you? Things are amazing today. So, really good. So, okay, going back on the code. And we have the two servers, the API path, okay? And yeah, okay. One, okay, it goes create on the first one. And then, yeah, so the first one is, so this is, should be, server one should be the leader, okay? Then I want to save this on server 2, which is my follower, and everything should work fine. Let's test this. No test election. Yeah, Node itself had its own test suite. Yeah, seems to be working. No problem. Okay, and then okay, we want, and what we want is election, re-election. And here we store the first one. Then I can do, oh yeah, but I need to update this. It's very easy. There are some docs. So there's a question from Calvin. I wonder how hard it will be to implement API token authentication in Platformatic DB with a Fastify plugin or maybe JWT. Yeah, you can just implement it with a hook, and it's super fast. Okay. So here I am going to do await server one dot stop. Okay. And this is going to re-elect. It's going to take a while. Hopefully. It's stuck. Yeah, no, it would work. Yeah, it's waited for 10 seconds, which is my timeout of the election and leader poll. Yeah. And so it means that on our options here, we need to config let's see, it's here, and I probably didn't specify it. Okay, and call leader poll plt leader poll. Okay, So, and then I want to set it here. Config, plugin, options, leader poll. Let's do that. Yeah, now way better. Yeah. So if I'm doing PM test, this should, yeah. So, okay, bully, sleep is never used. Okay. Never, what is it? Listen. Okay, this is fine, but sleep is never used. Result is never used. I'm going to remove those later on. Okay. Oh, it's not. It's not experimental. It's going to ship it. So these are good news, actually, Talevo. You didn't follow, but it landed. It's stable now. So if you go here, it's called stable test. And it's, you go into closed, mark module at stable 4 days ago. So yeah, test runner is stable. Yeah, it's going to be stable in V20. Happy days. Good, right? So you can probably start using it. Stable, man. It's stable. We are probably going to migrate Platformatic to it in sooner rather than later. Yeah, like, but did you try it? It's actually super fast too. Like it's, oh, lot of code here that was not tested. So line 27. No. Okay. Line 27. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Istanbul, ignore next. Okay. So I'll... Hi, CM Griffin. Hello. Do I know you? Or maybe let me see. Do I know you? Hello. Hey. Going to follow you. Cool. Yay. Amazing. Nice to see you. And yeah, I started streaming not so long ago. So I am still building my channel and stuff. Cool. So so it is a question, how the for-await behave on error? Yeah, so the point of for-await, it's going, so if there is an error, this is going to catch and log it, and it's actually going to stop. So likely, so this is actually true. So we probably want to abort. So, okay, else. Yeah, we probably want to abort here. Good spot, by the way. And here, though, no need on this one. Like, it's best effort. Cool. Okay, so we have done, so this is cool. And 26, then I need 60, 62. Where is it? Yeah, same reason. I have, this is an error condition and I really don't want to test it right now. So I'm just going to Istanbul ignore next, this one. Okay, and then 67. Yeah, all of this, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm not, yeah. I'm going to cheat lit a little bit on this block. So, oh, the linter is complaining. Is the linter complaining? Do your linter complain to you, scream to you all the time? Or you just use prettier and forget about the problem? Here we go. Yeah, everybody seems to use prettier. Yeah, I don't like it. Sorry, I don't like the format. Okay, so 29. Why 29? Oh. Why didn't he pick it up? It's... No, because we are using C8. Damn. Okay. I ate C8. Oh, why? Why is this complaining? Okay, just a second. Okay. So, plugin. Okay. Sorry. Why it's not... Sorry, folks. I don't know what's happening in my Vim. I lost control of Vim. Okay. So, C8, ignore next 3. So, Istanbul. Okay, C8, ignore next. And maybe 10. Let's see. Completely skipping stuff. I like my 100%, but really don't want to be bothered by testing all these cases. It's actually very hard testing election stuff, to be honest. I don't know if you ever... yeah, 73. Line 73. Oh, way more. So... Huh. Yeah. Is the leader, but not anymore. Yeah, let's make 30. And to be honest, to 90, yeah, seems about it. Then 98. Yeah, this again, other block that needs to be fully ignored. Yep. No, next 10 maybe. Come on. Here we go. It's running. I am using C8 because I think there is some ESM code in here. Oh, 16. Okay. What's in line 16? Okay. Yeah, not going to test this. Okay. Then line 60. Yep. Let's make them 33. Come on. So here we go. Yeah. To do test this. Write automated tests for this. Yep. What's missing here? Ooh. Wait. Why? This should not be there. Let's try again. If you fetch many messages to send and the first goes wrong, the others are sent? Yes, they do. Seems not? In what sense seems not? Oh, they will be sent. Test count exceeds plan. Sorry, which line was complaining? 18. Yeah. How come? Ha, okay. Tear down. There seemed to be a bug in the logic. So this is stopping the leader loop. Okay. It's if, so let me check this. That might be it. Once on, where is it? On. Okay, and signal. Yeah, so here we are passing the abort signal. Yes, it can throw. Oh, yeah, okay. I understand what you meant. What you mean. And I don't know if it can it. Let's check. Yeah, it can throw. So technically, you are correct. So warn air okay. Test count exceeds plan. So here we are aborting. And so it stops. And while it stops, it's abort the abort controller. So okay, let me add this needs to be here too. Okay, if break. Okay. And to be honest, this should be here, should not be at the top. So that's probably part of the cause. Yeah, let's run it again and see. Yeah, seems something like that would work. Yep. This check is needed because we are processing all queued notifications, but we want to stop. Okay. npm test. Oh, it's a nice one. Run one until failure. It's actually good. Wow, just one instance at a time. Wow. Run until failure. Amazing. It's really cool. I didn't know this existed. I typically use a while true batch. Ha, didn't work. Okay. You cannot, after it has been disposed. So 286. 286. No, wait. Where is the error? So no, this is DB authorization executor 132. Executor 132. Okay, here. Cool. And so here it's throwing, well, it's just logging it, which is correct. And in the, I don't know, I use a while true loop a level. Okay, and this is calling multiple times. Yeah, I might know what the problem is. So, yeah, this is fun. So what I want is I want to wait. So basically we are stopping things while the executor is executing and there is a race. And this is causing this to be called more than one time. So I can just remove this and this will be fine. It's actually okay. This system is called, it's at least one system. So if it's called more than once, it's called more than once. It can happen. There is actually no real good way to make it at most once. So here we go. Yeah, okay, 61, 63, true. Okay, and this is back in being 61, 62, not covered. Yeah. Yeah, it's correct. And then 67 and 68, which is the end. And why it's not exiting this loop? It should be exiting this loop. I don't know if it's available on Mac, so let's check. Brew install run 1. Let's see. If it works, it works. Yeah, 62, 63, which is this. Okay, that's fine. Yep. There is no run 1 on Mac. And maybe run 1 until failure. No. I typically use a while loop. It's not super hard. No. Well, I should probably write publish a shell script to do this. This is actually very easy to do in Bash or ZSH or whatever you want to use. So, okay. It's probably less than that. Like, I think it's 21. Well, it's not even. It's 18. This should be 18. And 67, it's... Now, that is fun. What freaking branch is this referring to? Yeah, it would, like, it's horrible. I just want to commit this, so and then we'll need to, this needs to be refactored. Like, this function is just a total mess. Oh, the whole function, by the way, not just this. Line 67. How come there is a branch in line? Oh yes, of course, because yeah. So I'm moving this up, and this is next 19. Okay. It's running. Cool. Okay. Amazing. Working election. We need to fix the tests, and that will be it. But at this point in time, it's getting a little bit late. And that I need to go. I need to take care of a few admin stuff, and then I need to go and have lunch with my kid. So this is working, and it was a very productive stream. So thank you all for watching, and we will see each other on Thursday. So can't wait to finish this up and get it deployed. It will be really cool. Thank you for joining, CM Griffin. What's your full name? Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. So it's cool. Amazing. Bye, folks. Bye-bye. Ciao. Chris. Bye, Chris. It was such a pleasure. Bye-bye.